Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix privacy error in Google Chrome. For that you have to watch the full video. So with no more delay, let's start the video. First of all, you need to go to the Google Chrome browser. So let's say this is the website I'm gonna visit. So what's that particular problem for that the privacy error is showing? The main reason is that you have a settings option that is turned on. Let's check this out. First of all, tap on the three dot button from here. Then you have to go to the settings option. You can see at the left portion there are so many options. Go to the privacy and security option. Scroll down until you find the option security. Just click on it. Again, scroll down until you find the option always use secure connection. So under that is written use HTTPS whenever possible and get warned before loading sites that don't support it. So if it is turned on, sometimes there is a website where there is not S inside of HTTPS. That means the website is only built on HTTP, so that won't be supported if this option is on. So you can easily turn this on to support that particular website, so there will be no privacy error. Again, if it is turned on, you can choose another way. Let's say this is the website and here is HTTPS. You can see that. You can just delete the S from here and you can easily go for it. Okay, then there will be no problem regarding the privacy error. So those are the two ways. You can choose either of these. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.